In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to log out of Facebook on all devices. Let's get started. First, launch a Facebook app, navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now head over to this section, Account Center. Scroll down and click on the option Password and Security. Now click on the option where you are logged in. Click on your Facebook username. Now here you're going to find the list of the devices where your account is logged in. Click on the option Select Devices to log out. Now check in for the devices from where you want to log out. You can click on Select All if you want to log out from all the devices. Then click on Log Out, confirm it. You might be prompted to enter your password or the code that will be sent to the email address that is linked with your Facebook account. Once you type in that, you'll be logged out of all the devices. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily log out of Facebook on all devices. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.